Yo, everybody, it's Alem. Yo. Hope you're good, guys. Oh la la, today I'm gonna watch a crazy battle. Woo-hoo-hoo. It's gonna be ROFU versus Rogue Wave. Oh my god, the first battle, GBB. Thank you very much. Before to react on the video, please subscribe on the channel. Thank you very much. We just passed the 2 million view in the channel. This is crazy, yeah. Today we passed the 2 million view for all the channel. So it's a great. Thank you for your motivation. Thank you very much, guys. It's a good, really good pleasure to do that. So please tell me in the comments if you are a subscriber. Let's do this game. If you are a subscriber on my YouTube channel, tell me in the comment. And I want to see a lot of comments like this. And everybody gonna see that and gonna say, oh, I'm not a subscriber. I subscribe. Okay? I will see after the video when I post it. All the comment subscriber. Thank you very much. So today I'm gonna watch this crazy video semi-final directly. Of course, the first battle is semi-final, and after the reaction, I will tell you what I think about the battle.
Hit him with the
Let's go. So exciting, guys. So good.
Into the battles we go. There are only 4 teams left.
残りは4チーム。
最初は
From France.
フランスから。
From France is
Can I get an ooh la la?
In Japan. Ooh la la.
Can I get an ooh la la?
Ooh la la.
Make some noise for Rogue Wave!
Hit him with the glitch.
Allez.
Collapse. River. Rogue Wave.
Allez. Next team. Let's go.
They
Can't
first
wait.
overall during the elimination
Allez, allez,
rounds,
allez,
and
allez,
here they
allez,
are in the first battle.
予選では素晴らしいショーケースを見せてくれました。
But versus
対するは
from Japan,
日本から
give it up for ROFU!
Hit him with the glitch.
ROFU from Japan. Aye, this battle semi-final to go on the final. So good to review
Six
this
Rogue
battle.
Wave.
Of course,
Ranked
I remember
higher,
in the crowd when I
ROFU to go
judge
first.
in the
You'll be
table
going
of the
first.
judge.
Yeah.
The
Radio
table.
live and direct once again,
Now-
Tokyo. We're gonna go and get into the tag team battle.
gonna be on video with
GBB23, I
headphones.
ask you left, right, side
I
to
hope
side,
you
up
have a
top,
good
in the
sound,
back.
guys.
Everybody, are you ready? Rogue Wave versus ROFU. You already know what to do. I say the sun, you say the knee and the ish. In sun.
In.
Yo, we love freestyle. Okay. Revenge match. This is freestyle, and this is Hokkaido style, you know? Yo, we are not from Japan, make some noise! Woo!
Nice vibe. Allez, we're winning something. Not enough for the first round. this. Good quality, guys. I really enjoyed. Oh la la. What this first round? Let's go, ROFU.
Okay, listen now. 俺のおばあちゃん、幸子と言います。俺のおばあちゃん、
I don't understand.
幸子と言います。俺のおばあちゃん、幸子と言います。俺のおばあちゃん、幸子と言います。Yo, we are love from Japan. Are you ready, GBB? Yeah, listen. 俺のおばあちゃん、幸子と言います。Sorry. Yeah. We are not from Japan. Are you ready? 俺のおばあちゃん、幸子で言いまんね。
Sounds great, huh? Wow! Really nice! Oh my goodness!
Switch!
That's so much better than the second one of ROFU.
Hey yo, everybody! Are you ready?
They're on swear.
Gunshots in the ribcage.
Oh my god!
Shots in the ribcage.
So many drops, the quality. Wow, the level, guys. Powerful. All on the sub. Say wow too. Same reaction, eh? I'm me. I'm Alem. You see, Alem motion. But guys, I really enjoy this battle. The rock wave level, guys. River and collapse. The level is hardcore. Really, trust me. The quality of the drop, how they prepared, how they combine sound. My God, I really enjoyed it. Wow!
What a crazy battle in the tag teams
Oh
right
my
here, but
God.
only
ROFU
one
was
can move on
good
to the
drop,
finals. We go to
but
our
we
judging
see,
panel.
like,
Judging panel.
It's
It
an
will be
evidence,
blue
right?
for Rogue
That
Wave.
how they prepare.
青がローグウェイブ、
It will be red for ROFU.
ローフが赤色になります。
How collapse is so
I'll say the three,
scared.
y'all say the two and the one.
But
Judges
for me,
in
it's an
3.
evidence. Like, no.
Give it up
All
for Rogue Wave.
Of course. I mean, how they prepare this crazy. I will rewatch this video, guys. I will rewatch this video, of course. I want
You
to
have
listen
not seen the
again
last of
this
them, for they'll be in the
amazing
small
drop.
finals. Make some noise for the amazing ROFU.
Yeah, big up to
拍
ROFU.
手をお願いします。
Quality of the drop of ROFU, that's really nice. But no, guys. Rogue Wave level crazy.
What's up
Subscribe
everyone,
to
we are
Collapse,
Rogue
to
Wave.
River.
Thank you so much for watching our videos at the GBB.
You can follow us on our social medias. I go by the name of River BBX on Instagram.
And I'm Collapse BBX. See you soon.
Thank you for watching. We are ROFU from Japan. She is my grandmother, Sachiko. Sachiko! 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 Sachiko, 俺だ!
Yes,
Orada,
subscribe to
Sachiko.
ROFU, subscribe to Swiss Beatbox, of course. And wow, what an amazing video. Thank you very much for watching with me. Bye bye for the next. I can't wait for the next battle. It's gonna be crazy. Thank you very much. Bye bye, everybody. Pow!